In this video, you are going to learn how to draw this realistic lips and the nose using graphite and charcoal pencils. Here, we are going to use this Bristol black and white set for graphite and charcoal pencils. If you don't have this set, you can use any brand of charcoal and graphite pencils. We just need 4B and 8B pencils, soft, medium and hard charcoal pencils to get started, and use the paper that has little texture to hold the charcoal layers. Okay, so this is not just a time-lapse video, but you are going to learn along with my instructions. If you don't know me, I am Lavanya Siddeshwar. I help artists to learn realistic portrait drawing through my online classes. So if you want to learn from me, check my website and course links below. Let us get started with this drawing tutorial. Here I have already made the outline ready. We have used HB pencil to make the outline. I have made the outline very lighter in the first step. In the second step, I am using this soft charcoal pencil. Again, I am drawing along with the outlines only. And first, I am marking all the darker areas over here. So once we mark the darker areas, so then it would be very easy for us to identify the remaining other tones in the drawing. So I always prefer doing this. So after that, I am just slightly smudging it using this Blendix. So this is from Resto. You can use either painting brush or anything to blend it. So since I have this Blendix from Resto, I am using this Blendix. You can also use cotton buds for doing the same if you don't have this Blendix. Yeah. This is the first layer of shading. See, this is not done yet. Many people just do this and they think that their drawing is bad, but still there are many more layers to apply. You can see this, I have applied it once again, the second layer, and again I am smudging it using this Blendix from Resto. Yeah, it is quite difficult for me to pronounce this. Yeah, if you want to know any of this drawing supplies, or if you want to buy any of them, I'll add them in the description so that you can easily buy them if you are looking for these specific art supplies I am using. Okay, so same process I am following for the nose as well. See, whatever that you are drawing, so if you want to get a realistic look in drawing, you just have to follow the shapes and the tonal values exactly. Okay, so when it comes to shapes, the outline plays very important role. After that, the tonal values, in the sense what are the exact tonal changes that are happening in the reference photo. So we'll have to recreate the same while we are drawing as well. Okay, and you can see that for highlights I am leaving the paper white. I am not shading in that particular area. See what happens if you shade it and if you try to add highlights, it doesn't work well. So it might sometimes damage the paper, or you may not able to get the bright highlights. So that is why I always like to leave this white highlights, the paper white for the highlights. At the end, if I feel it is very dark, I'll also soften that. So that is not an issue. So you can see how many layers I am applying repeatedly. I am also using kneadable eraser. Sometimes if I feel the shade bit darker, I lighten it up using kneadable eraser. I hope you are liking the process, and yeah, I have made many drawing tutorials in this channel. I don't know if you have checked it or not, including the complete portrait drawing tutorial and how to make outline using grid line method. So like this, I have made the entire playlist. You can also check my playlist if you are interested in exploring about realistic drawing. Here you can see I am adding the small tiny details on the lips, tiny lines and the white highlights here and there. So this will bring special attraction and the most realistic look to the drawing. Yeah, so here I am using HB pencil to make the shading neater. So with the charcoal it would be difficult for us to get the sharp edges because of this blendability, and also we cannot sharpen the charcoal pencils to get so much clear edge. So charcoal pencil lids would be always thicker, so I prefer using this charcoal and graphite pencils together in my drawing. Sometimes I also use carbon pencils as well. By the way, if you are liking my process and if you feel that I can help you to learn drawing, and yeah, if you are looking for more personalized guidance from me, I do offer courses as well. So you can definitely connect with me, and I post regular content on Instagram and every day, so you can get more updates in my Instagram as well. My Instagram profile is Lavanya's Art, so make sure you follow me on Instagram after completing this video. And yeah, I have also added some of the course details in the description if you like to learn realistic portrait drawing, or even if you want to just get started with the fundamentals. I provide all those kind of classes as well. You can also book a personal call with me to discuss about the same, so that you can make a better choice in choosing the best suitable course for you. I do not believe in just providing one thing that I have to my audience. Rather, I like to help based on your level, where you are in your drawing practice right now and what are your goals. Based on that, I can help you out. See here, let us again back to the drawing. I am making this eye shading as well, and this nose and the eye portion, these are much more lighter compared to the lips. So I am using mostly pencils here to make that softer and lighter shading. Instead of depending only on the charcoal, I am using the pencils, HB, 2B pencils here. Again, I am applying more layers to make the shading smoother. Make sure that while using this charcoal medium, you have to be careful about the smudgeability of the charcoal. Do not touch the shaded area with your bare hands, so that can dirty your drawing sheet. However, since I am using it very smaller size, it is fine. But when you are drawing in some bigger size, you might accidentally smudge the drawing. So make sure that you are not resting your hand on the drawing paper. Instead, use a butter paper like this to rest your hand. So it will permanently leave the oil marks on the paper, which is irreversible if you are using bare hands. Okay, so you just take care of it. I hope you are liking this drawing process and how it has turned out. So please comment in the chat box regarding this. I hope you have liked this entire tutorial, and if yes, please leave your valuable feedback and like this video, share it with some of your artist friends. And I am also open to take content suggestions from you. I would like to know what exactly you like to see in this channel. So please suggest your content ideas. And for the daily updates, and if you want to get daily updates about realistic drawing, if you want to learn how to make a profession using your art skills, I create educational content on my Instagram each and every single day. So you can follow me at Lavanya's Art in Instagram. Let's say if you want to connect with me to understand how you can improve your drawing skills, I have added my call booking link below. You can connect with me and let's see how I can help you to learn more about realistic drawing and also making a profitable profession using your art skills.